Do you edit videos on InShot but wonder how to add your favorite music? In this video, I will show you on how to add songs and make your edits more professional. Just you need to open your InShot app, alright? Then click on videos, then click on the new button. Alright, then select your personal video where you want to add the songs. For example, here I can choose this video, then just click on the right button. Alright, then you can remove the watermark, click here. Alright, then just click on free remove. You need to watch a simple ad, then watermark will be removed automatically without any cost. You just need to wait a few seconds. Alright, look, the watermark has been removed. Then click on the canvas. Alright, then choose the frame rate which you want to add. If you want, if you are creating a video for Facebook Reels, Instagram Reels, or for a TikTok, then you need to select 9:16. Otherwise, you can create 16:9, which is the YouTube format. Or if you want for YouTube shorts, then also you need to select 9:16. Then just click on the right. Here we want to add external song or music. Then just need first of all mute this original music, original video sound. Then click on the audio, then click again on music, then click extract audio from a video. If you have a video song, then you need to extract the sound or music from a video, then click here. Otherwise, if you have a simple mp3 format music or song in mp3 format, then click on my music, then allow this one, and here you can see all your sounds or songs or music from your profile. Choose here randomly, but I select here extract audio from a video because I have a video which audio I want to use here. Then just click on the song which you want to add on your video. I select this one, then click on here. Alright, then just the song or music has been added successfully on your video. After that, click right, or if you want to trim a video like here, then you can trim at the end of the song. Then click on the export button. Just doing these simple steps, you can add music on your video by using InShot app. This is very simple. I hope it's helped you. So don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye. Best of luck.